we are in Lakeside Village, the university's newest residential housing complex. It predominantly houses sophomores with limited juniors and seniors sprinkled in. Lakeside features 5 floors of suite and apartment-style student housing with 25 interconnected buildings. And let me tell you, these rooms are amazing. All suites and apartments have their own bathrooms. Apartment units have full kitchens and in-unit washers and dryers, while suites have kitchenettes and access to free shared laundry facilities on every floor. All Lakeside residents have access to high-definition TV and streaming along with high-speed university Wi-Fi. Each residential floor also has study nooks, community and recreational spaces to play ping pong and foosball, as well as group study areas for Lakeside residents to use. Outside the rooms, the 12-acre village boasts lots of outdoor spaces, including a grand courtyard, study areas, and terraces perfect for hitting the books or taking a break. When you need some downtime, there's also an indoor rock climbing wall, outdoor gym area and volleyball courts, music practice rooms, and plenty of outdoor seating areas. The first floor also has lots of retail and event spaces. There's a UPS store, an all-day breakfast spot because who doesn't love waffles, an auditorium, a multi-use pavilion space, and expo center, so there's a lot of places for student orgs to put on events. And of course, as the name suggests, it's right on Lake Osceola, so you have to check out this view. As with all on-campus housing at University of Miami, students can count on the support of area directors and community assistants, or CAs, like me. I signed up to be a CA this year, which means I have one-on-one connections with each of my residents and get to create fun events like movie nights, rock climbing, and dance competitions. There are so many fun things to look forward to after your first year on campus, including Lakeside Village, which could become your future home.